Facebook login, Facebook ID. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can log into your Facebook ID on the Facebook app, so make sure to stick with me till the end. Now of course make sure that you've downloaded the Facebook app, and after you've done that, open it up. By default, if you have any of the accounts saved, it will ask you to simply log into those accounts, but just to give you a context, I'll just select log into another account. So now what you can do is you can simply enter your mobile number or your email address in this above box. After you've done that, just make sure to enter your password. Now, just in case you happen to forget your password, you can tap the forgotten password option over here in order to follow the instructions and go ahead and log into your account. But then if you just happen to not create an account, in that case you can just select create new account option and then make sure to open a new Facebook account in that way. But if you'd like to log in, you can just hit the login button. If your details such as your email and password is correct, you'll be successfully logged in. This way you'll be able to log into Facebook on the Facebook app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.